Hello, guys. Sound check, sound check, sound check.
All right, sound check, sound check. Okay.
All right. Good evening, guys. Good evening. Isang init na gabi sa inyo lahat. Kamusta,
Good evening,
Stephen?
everyone. Yeah. Okay naman, marami lang exams this week. Pero so far, update naman sa market are always updated. Recently, si Bitcoin nag-reach na naman ng another height under 38K. So, I think the market is still doing well despite the news that we're having. Either good or bad, the market is progressive.
Yes. And with us tonight is Prof. Loki. So I just want to say hello, hello. Kamusta, Prof? All right. I think naka-mute lang yung mic mo.
Hello?
Yeah,
Sorry. Good evening to all.
Good evening, guys. So tonight we're gonna have our another series of Midweek Market Watch with Bybit. We're basically exploring product features and week news. And if obviously it's a midweek market watch, but you will be able to watch this video on a replay. You can just simply scan the QR code below there, right? So you can register to the campaign, and we can have you be part the weekly raffle draw, wherein you can win exciting bonuses. And sometimes we could be giving away merchandise that. So all you need to do is to scan the QR code somewhere below there. It says claim your bonus, register to the campaign, and then join our Telegram community. If you have questions in real time, like whatever discussions that pag-uusapan natin tonight, just simply send your thoughts on our Telegram community. It's also a perfect chance for you to join our community wherein you can ask questions real time sa amin, and then we are also there, sila Prof, si Stephen, to answer questions about anything Bybit. So there. Alam ko yung na-feel ng lahat ng alam ko yung mga balita lately, no. I'm pretty sure you guys have already heard about what happened. But we still want to be a solid community for everyone. Definitely, we are still here to make sure na, when it comes to educating users about blockchain technology, crypto, like trading, I think it's still, we owe it to our people, anything about it. So, yeah, just a risk disclaimer. Right, next slide. There you go, Stephen.
All right, risk disclaimers. So, investing in cryptocurrencies involves risks. So, we advise potential investors to research and fully understand these risks before investing. The opinions expressed in this program are those of the speakers and do not necessarily reflect those of the company.
There you go. So, to make sure that we have your names on the screen, make sure that you allow StreamYard to access at least your full name. So when we click your comment in the comment section, we would be able to show it up. Tapos, makita namin yung magaganda yung profile picture. Alright.
So, konting break muna. So, ayan, winners of Midweek Market Watch. So, from our previous live stream last week, so I hope you guys click the join button nung nag-post kami ng vlog namin. So, kung hindi ka pa nakakasali ngayon, meron kaming QR code nandyan sa may baba. Ayan, please scan. Tsaka of course, yung QR code din sa taas. So, para maging participant ka sa ganitong event. So, again, last week, ito yung mga winners ng Midweek Market Watch. So, 10 winners, guys. So, ibig sabihin, namimigay kami ng 100 USDT bonus every week or every live stream na meron kami. So, kapag ikaw yung highest volume or top 5 highest volume for that week, mananalo ka ng $10 bonus. So, here are the UIDs of the highest volume traders that registered, of course, and click the join button in that QR code down below. So, we have also chosen winners na nag-join din and niraffle natin. So we have our lucky winners sa may top 5 din lucky winners. And yan yung mga UIDs nila. So we'll be submitting. So we do not know personally the winners but we already got your UID. So watch out na lang sa rewards hub nyo kasi doon nyo siya i-claim.
Yes,
So,
that's why
ayun.
it's very important that you register to the campaign kasi even if you engage with us on Facebook and Telegram using the proper hashtag but you don't register to the campaign dun sa blog, hindi siya makakount kasi that's our way for us to get your UIDs. Bago natin simulan, baka pwede tayo mag-shoutout sa mga fans ni Prof. Loki. Yan,
Oo,
sabi ni
napanood.
James Tawid Crypto. Pogi ng prof namin. Yan. Sabi naman ni Uren, watching from Aklan, hashtag Market Watch. Sabi rin ni Chrysler John Belonio Ruiz, hashtag Market Watch. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you're watching this right now and you want your friends to watch this video, do note that you can watch this video on a replay version. All you need to do is to scan the QR code below, nasa claim your bonus sa baba, and then on every week in-upload namin yung mga videos dyan. And make sure to also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Nandun din sa blog yung steps on how you can subscribe. Also, before we start, meron tayong Fiat P2P giveaway. So obviously, our Fiat P2P team is making efforts to make you guys be fully aware of P2P trading. So they are giving away free USDT in prizes. So please take advantage of that. You can see that on the banner above. So kanina sa baba, kayo naman nasa taas. Yung Fiat P2P giveaway. And all you need to do is to scan the QR code for you to know the next steps. Congratulations, guys, sa mga nasa Midweek Market Watch. And now let's proceed to the weekly market news.
Right. So again, topic outline first. We will have our news, P2P trading, then price action. So for the news, get ahead of the game with news update.
Mainit na balita sa oras na ito. Right. Unang balita.
Alright. Solana leads layer 1 token gains as Bitcoin processed $38,000. Bitcoin surged above $38,000 in Asian trading on renewed optimism for a spot exchange traded fund or ETF approval and expectations of impending rate cuts. Solana's Sol token led layer 1 blockchain gains, rising 8% in the last 24 hours and receiving previous losses. Other layer 1 tokens including Avalanche or AVAX, Cardano's ADA, and Tron's TRX saw increases of over 5%. The broader crypto market, measured by the Coindesk Market Index or CMI, recorded a 2.5 rise in the past 24 hours. The market responded to Federal Reserve Governor Chris Waller's comments indicating a possible economic slowdown and advocating for rate cuts if inflation continues to decline. Such statements can impact markets, with higher rates typically prompting investors to shift from risk assets like stocks and cryptocurrencies to bonds.
Yan. So basically, nag-benefit si Solana after crossing the $38,000 price ni Bitcoin. Solana fans out there, nice. Boy pa pala yung Solana. No. Basher yan. Kasi si Stephen maka-Solana yan eh. Si Prof. Loki kaya. Di have holdings ng Solana.
Yeah, I love Solana, bro.
Oh, he loves Solana. Okay. Nice. So good news for Solana. Are you guys holding or did you guys take some profit after the gains?
So,
Walang
where's
sumagot.
the people?
Walang nag-take profit. Hold lang, hold. All right. Next news. Genesis DCG proposed to settle lawsuit, bankruptcy filing. Ang digital currency group DCG at Genesis Global ay nag-propose ng isang settlement sa kanilang kaso ayon sa kanilang bankruptcy filing. Kinasuhan ng Genesis ang DCG ng maling pag-aari ng higit sa $620 million loan sa panahon ng bankruptcy proceedings ng Genesis. Binayaran ng DCG ang $227 million na utang at plano nitong bayaran ng natitirang $275 million sa April. Ang pinopropose na deal ay binubuo ng tatlong installments, isang $35 million upfront na bayad at isang $10 million holdback mula sa recent CoinDesk sale. Ang DCG ay gagamit ng US dollars at Bitcoin sa pagbabayad with Grayscale Trust Shares na magsisilbing security nito. Bagaman hindi lubusang na-cover ang $324 million na utang, layunin ng kasunduang ito na maiwasan ang mahaba at magastos na laban sa korte sa pagitan ng dalawang kumpanya. Like always, as always, no, settlement is the key. If haba kasi talaga ng kaso kapag ganyan eh. If you really keep battling, you would really just spend a lot of money, even beyond the money that you will spend for settlement. I think that was for me was a wise move. At least hindi na tuloy-tuloy pa yung problems over problems. Next news.
So, crypto hedge fund, 9 blocks nags Dubai Digital Assets License. 9 blocks Capital Management, ang unang cryptocurrency hedge fund na nakakuha ng lisensya mula sa Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority or VARA ng Dubai. Ang hedge fund na may market neutral na estratehiya ay nagpasyang gawing pangunahing headquarters ang Dubai dahil sa komprehensibong regulatory framework na sumasaklaw sa issuance, exchange services at advertising na itatag ang isang masiglang komunidad ng crypto sa Dubai. Binigyan diin ni Henry Ashlanian, co-founder ng 9 Blocks, ang papel ng VARA sa pagbuo ng isang ecosystem para sa crypto sa Dubai na nagbibigay diin sa proximity ng mga counterparts at mabilis na pagpapalitan ng mga impormasyon sa loob ng isang square kilometer area. Ang 9 Blocks ay gumagamit ng market neutral na strategy sa trading, kumikita mula sa mga arbitrage at inefficiencies sa cryptocurrency space. So, ayun. Finally, meron na ding isang license na crypto hedge fund. So, one of fewest pa na hedge fund na meron. And of course nga, una pas na nagkaroon ng lisensya. At nagkaroon ng headquarters.
Saka masasabi rin natin na napaka-open ng Dubai, especially when it comes to crypto companies or blockchain companies. And kung hindi nyo na itatanong, Bybit is headquarters is located in Dubai as well. So, with the recent development in Dubai, I'm very optimistic with the future of blockchain technology there and all other crypto related activities. So let's stay tuned. Malaking bagay yung cooperation ng Dubai with the current development.
All right.
Next news, Protocol Village Chainlink expands staking mechanism to 45 million linked. Ang Chainlink, isang kilalang blockchain oracle project, ay naglunsad ng V2 or V0.2 upgrade para sa kanyang native staking mechanism. Ang upgrade na ito ay nagpapataas sa staking pool sa halagang 45 million link na bumubuo ng 8% ng kasalukuyang circulating supply. Na layuning mapabuti ang access para sa maraming uri ng holders ng link token. Ang Chainlink staking ay pangunahing bahagi ng Chainlink Economics 2.0 na nagdadala ng additional layer ng crypto economic security sa Chainlink network. Sa pamamagitan ng staking, ang mga ecosystem participants, kabilang ng mga node operators at community members, ay maaaring sumuporta sa Oracle services gamit ang staked link at kumita ng rewards bilang contribution sa seguridad ng network. Kasama sa upgrade ang isang 9-day priority migration period para sa mga existing V1 stakers, followed by expanding access sa mas malawak na audience simula sa early access sa December 7 at general access on December 11. Alright, so not
Good
bad
news.
na
So,
percent ng kasalukuyang circulating supply will be allotted for this. Very beneficial to lalo na sa mga stakers ng link. Meron ba dito nag-i-stake ng link ngayon?
Me.
Merong holders ng link. Si Prof. Loki ulit meron.
Yeah. Very
Yeah.
good
Any
project.
thoughts about Any thoughts about the expanding the staking mechanism?
Regarding the staking, then wala, hindi ako masyadong nag-research about it kasi since 2020 ko pa siya hino-hold. I'm actually negative right now sa link na yan, but continuous lang na accumulation with the token kasi gusto ko yung project eh. It's an oracle. Malaki yung potential niya long term.
Yes, parang you can say it's like Google of blockchain. Diba si
Yeah.
Link. It allows you to be able to index anong tawag doon? You index layer yung mga information to make things or like data a lot easier to extract. Kasi it's one of the problems of blockchain technology. There's been a lot of information, data, and it takes a lot of time for you to search or query information on the blockchain. So through the help of Chainlink, it's a lot easier for blockchains now to um, query information. So without having to go through the entire node. That's the way I understand. But if you guys have any opinion about Chainlink, please comment down. We'd love to hear your thoughts. You can also engage on us on Telegram and Facebook um, page. Also, if you're watching this on YouTube, hello guys. May nakita ko mga nanonood sa YouTube ngayon. Alright. So about natin, December 11, general access. So will this actually impact the price of Link? We'll see. What's the price of Link right now?
Link.
You know, buy the dip, sell the rumor.
currently, meron din tayo ang staking sa link sa Bybit. So, pwede nyo din i-try. Flexible savings. So, you can stake it and unstake it anytime.
Yeah, up to you guys, right? Basically, staking is a way for you to, like, if you're looking for a long-term holding instead of just holding it in your wallet and get nothing out of it, you can basically put it in first, and then while you're waiting, regardless of the price of the asset that you're holding, crypto that you're holding, you can add more to it, add more volume by staking. And by staking, you're also helping to make the network more secure. So if you've been following cryptocurrency for a while now, staking is a consensus mechanism wherein instead of mining cryptocurrencies the same way as proof of work, staking allows you to um, you know make your own action and then stake your asset, put it to the network, and it allows you to make the network more secure. So the staking, or the higher the amount that's being staked, the greater security becomes. So that's how staking works. All right, so let's see. I think Link is actually doing good right now sa price action.
Yeah.
We'll see if
So,
there's or baka bumagsak lang siya. Mag-correct lang din.
it's 3
All right, I think that's
months.
the last thing, right?
So, ayan, price action, decoding price movements for informed trading decisions naman yung sunod na part ng live stream natin. So, I think I'll give the floor muna to
Prof.
Prof.
Loki.
Can you share your screen ba para makita natin yung ano natin?
Sige, sige.
Any crypto you like to screen? Yeah, so with your community, tapos to all the people that's watching right now.
Okay.
All right.
Share screen. Teka lang.
Okay, so while Prof. Loki is sharing his screen, I actually saw a message earlier in the comment section asking our thoughts about the recent situation of that X platform. No, I think it's also a responsibility to comment on the issue. But I'm not really the best person to ask there, no, because right now we are a community. Our goal is to expand information, disseminate information about blockchain technology. That's our main mission, after all. But I think I want to let everyone know that we are aware of the situation, and right now, our goal in the community is to inform people internally, and then we will keep you guys posted. And this is a developing story anyway. And if you feel, I am sure you guys have read the article. Just be wise on making decisions. So I think this is an opportunity for us to learn more about Web3 wallets. If you have not been subscribing to Bybit for quite some time now, we have this Web3 wallet product, which we're gonna talk about next week. So what does that mean, right? Web3 wallet is Web3 exchange to, parang if you heard of FX. So you can basically trade cryptocurrencies using your own non-custodial wallet. So Bybit is a centralized platform, centralized exchange. So technically the custody is still with Bybit, right? So you trust Bybit to take care of your assets. But if you learn more about Web3 wallet, what it does is it gives you access to a non-custodial wallet, which means you have your own seed phrase, right? You have, sabi nga nila ba, not your keys, not your wallet. So that's why we have been pushing for this for quite some time. All you need to do is to search for Bybit Web3 wallet. In fact, if you open your application now, there is a way for you to switch from regular exchange to Web3 wallet. So you can link your MetaMask wallet there, your Bybit wallet, and then the two other options I've seen earlier. So kapag nasa custodial wallet yung yung assets mo, you're confident whatever happens, it's actually safe kasi you have your own seed phrase eh. So to give you a context, kung meron ka MetaMask wallet, tapos nilink mo siya sa Bybit Web3 exchange, no, yung Apex natin, hindi na kinukuha ni Bybit mismo yung asset mo. You guys get my point? Parang nasa MetaMask pa rin siya, you're just getting it for trading purposes. So for me, if this is not a new thing. I've heard this kind of um, issue before. Matagal na. Actually, in fact, I was still um, nasa ibang company pa ako. I've been hearing this kind of sentiments. But I've learned it the hard way. Eh. Actually, what I do is to keep it in my ledger or use a non-custodial wallet. Sabi ni Ranger Keith pa-demo kung paano i-connect ang MetaMask wallet to Bybit. Next week, we will do it. We will try to educate further paano siya gumagana. Actually, hindi namin inisip na mangyayari to. Pero week 3 natin, we will discuss about Web3 wallet. So please, para mawala yung mga kaba ninyo, utilize it. It's a matter of diversification. If you are to ask me, no, it's a matter of diversification. You don't need to put all your assets in one basket. Some you put it in a custodial wallet. Some you more than siguro like 70-30 30% you put it in a custodial wallet that you trust the most, and then 70% put it in a non-custodial wallet so that you are confident that whatever happens, no one can actually take it away from you. Right? Hope that makes sense. All right,
Yeah.
Prof, floor is on you. What are your
Yeah.
insights?
Right. So, first of all, good evening to all sa mga nanonood dyan. Sige. So, we are gonna keep this as short as possible kasi yan nga, hashtag market watch tayo, no? So, yung current market price lang talaga yung i-focus natin. Okay. So, the very reason why we are experiencing a very strong rejection dito sa 38,500 level na to is um, I know na-share ko na to sa FB natin. So, to all Bybit fam members, nakita niyo na probably itong levels na to. So, historically speaking, ito yung price action ni Bitcoin pre-halving. Tinatawag natin siyang pre-halving. And then, usually, the moment na tinitest yung 618 level up until the 786 level, napakalakas talaga ng rejection ng Bitcoin. So this one was like 26%. This one was by far the worst dump so far during the pre-halving, 70%. And then yun, dito tayo ngayon, we are approaching the 618. However, ipapakita ko sa inyo later on why napakaraming rejection dito sa part na to. Itong zone na to, 38,500. Yung current area talaga ng Bitcoin ngayon. Okay, so tanggalin na natin to. Yun yung konting recap lang sa data natin on the pre-halving event. Okay, so we should now check the levels of Bitcoin, yung current level talaga. So ito, klarong-klaro, ito yung pinakarason bakit nare-reject tayo ng napakalakas ni Bitcoin ngayon. Okay, this is the OTE level. Okay, 38,561. If you connect this swing high from March, ata to, di ba? Teka lang. March of 2022 up until this low dun sa November of 2022, i-connect nyo yan, lalabas yung 705 level ng Fibonacci nyo, and then that is the 38,561. And then, may kita nyo, the moment na in-approach natin, yung area pa lang hindi pa yung specific talaga, hindi pa niya tinapik technically yung presyong yan. May mga platform siguro na merong tinapik na yan because different liquidities, di ba? But makikita nyo yung selling pressure the moment na pinuntahan ng Bitcoin yung presyong yan. Okay, so how much more if pupuntahan talaga ng Bitcoin? So, you as a trader, huwag kayong mag-expect na wala talagang sell-off na mangyayari. Kasi bullish pa rin tayo eh. Alam nyo naman na 34,000 yung entry natin kay Bitcoin. So, ngayon, naka-adjust na yung stop loss natin to break even. And ang pwedeng mangyari dito is, if ever man na ma-reject tayo dyan, at least naka-secure na tayo ng profit. Okay? So make sure na naka-secure kayo, 50 to 75% of your position, i-close nyo na. Kasi even though yung 48,000 na level dun sa having target natin, ayan, 46,000 pala, 46,689, which is confluent dito sa supply zone na to. Di ba? So napakaraming confluences na makikita. But aside from that, ito rin, currently nare-reject talaga tayo dito sa level na to. Okay, so if ever man na magiging super bullish talaga si Bitcoin, which hindi ko gusto mangyari talaga kasi gusto kong ma-reject muna tayo so that we can retest this gap right here para mas healthy yung pag-akyat ni Bitcoin sa mga upcoming na araw. No? Parang ganun siya, kumbaga. I'd rather have this bloody move right now para mas ma-enjoy ko yung mas malakas na bounce later on. No? But yun nga, hindi natin alam anong mangyayari sa market. Kaya ang pwede nyo lang talaga gawin is to plot these levels and then observe. No? So especially sa mga hindi pa nakaposition, then hopefully these data will help. I think you know. Yeah, I think I'm done.
Thank you very much for sharing your insights. So what we're seeing right now is you're waiting for retest muna, no? After ni 36,
38.
Then once it's done retesting, this can be a possible nice move to place like a long position, no? And then see make sure lang to put a nice stop loss there.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yun, napakaraming confluences eh. Napakarami talaga. So if ever na may sell-off, wag lang talaga kayo magpanic kasi bullish pa rin yung bias
It's
natin.
part of the game, part of the game that
Yeah.
people are gonna sell. And
Mhm.
most likely traders really think alike. Parang if there are certain confluences, there are certain like resistant levels, you would notice already that people are selling at the same time. Kasi if you go against the trend, it's more likely that you will lose. Diba? So as a trader, it's important that we know where to um, great opportunities to buy and great opportunities to sell. So I also like yung sinabi mo na parang don't wait until yung talagang sagad na siya eh. Kasi baka hintayin mo siya doon, hindi na umabot, hindi pa mag-trigger yung sell order mo. So
Mm-mm.
might as well take profit. When it's about like 70 to 80%, huwag mong isagad talaga na pinaka-resistance level. Anyway, your goal here is to make profit, not to lose. Ayun, ang dami yung charts.
Oo nga pala. One last thing, baka merong ano eh. Hopefully makatulong rin. Sa mga gustong mag-trade ng altcoins, unexpectedly, napaka-bullish ng Bitcoin dominance, which is not good for the altcoins, maybe for this week lang. No? But, yun nga, tinitest niya naman yung yung napakalaking wick na to. And then, weird yung mga gaps. Minsan ko na nakikita to sa Bitcoin dominance. So hopefully, bababa rin yan. But if ever natataas man yan, then be very careful sa mga altcoins nyo.
Yeah, that's a great parang insights, no? Some people kasi you just trade it, pero there's really a huge factor on how BTC dominance moves, and obviously kapag mataas yung BTC dominance, ang laki ng effect sa altcoin market. So pag tinitingnan ko yung BTC dominance, breakout ngayon yung BTC dominance natin.
Yeah.
So may chance din talaga na umabot pa siya ng 60%. Hindi mo masabi. And it's been a while. It's been a while. People have been looking for like especially mga BTC maximalists, they've been waiting for BTC to when it comes to dominance, no, to go up. Kasi ang tagal niya na malagi sa mga 40-ish level. Alright? Shout out daw, sabi ni Crypto Milan. Yan. Taga Italy yan. Natin yan. Sabi ni Ranger Keith, bull or bear ba kayo this week? Comment below. Comment.
Bullish.
Yan, bullish. So this week, bullish. Alright, si Stephen naman, last week, meron siyang trade order. So, play lang. Let's see kung ano nangyari. Was it hit ba yung stop loss? Mukhang maganda yung presyo ng BTC and then nag-short siya last time eh. Let's see what happened there. Can you share quickly ano nangyari doon? Like 2 minutes lang.
Ayan. So, last week, nakita natin yung rejection ng red candle na to sa 4 hours time frame. And dito, weaker order block somehow. We tried to short. Ito yung nakikita yung red candle na to. Itong red na spot. So, nag-short tayo during this price. The price moves down up to this level around 36256.52, 36369. Nagkaroon tayo ng in profit for the time being. Unfortunately, naka-encounter tayo ng isang malaking green candle causing as mitigation sa stop loss. So this was triggered by a news na galing pa naman sa forex market na news. So naapektuhan yung base currency natin, which is yung USDT. And ayun, tumaas siya, and unexpectedly, up until now, sinusundan niya sa 4-hour time frame yung trend line natin na upward. So up until now, nandun pa rin tayo. So expecting this price na makikita nyo, nakataas siya ng by 1038,588. So nakuha niya na yung mga liquidity na nandito. So what's left for to do is, I think, come back ulit dito sa zone na to. Unang-una, may fair value gap na natira sa 4-hour time frame. At the same time, yun nga, may trend line. So, potentially, kapag nagkaroon tayo ng signal na bumaba siya sa zone na to, 37 to 37,300 to 37,600. Potentially yung retracement level niya sa for our time frame. Kapag ano siya dito, nag-range and nagkaroon tayo ng breakout, nagkaroon ng fair value gap, nagkaroon ng order block, potentially pwede tayo mag-trade sa lower time frame like 15 minutes to
All right.
go for long. So,
So
I
short
think,
order tayo ngayon.
mm, ngayon,
Short.
initially, tinitingnan ko siya. Kung ako magte-trade ngayon, gusto ko siyang abangan na sa pagbalik. Technically, yung market structure niya is away. Pero sa lower time frame, ang daming signs na pwede kang mag-short. One, may breaker block na pwede kang magamit and huge downside and makikita niyo yung rejection from this region. I think above this stop, above ng previous high yung stop loss and technically 1.5 to 1:2 is the reward targeting this liquidity. Again, kapag kung trader ka ng SMC or supply and demand trader, yung chart na ginagamit namin, yun yung para sa'yo. Pero kung yung strategy mo is price action, might as well do your own chartings para mas ma-confirm kung ano ba yung mas tamang bias sa strategy mo. So, if I were to trade this today, at 15 minutes time frame, I will be shorting at this point. So, let's try mag-market kahit medyo malayo. Potentially, lagay natin dyan. Makikita natin okay yung mga rejection na nakukuha natin. So, sobrang liit lang na target. Parang scalp na trade lang siya. Initially, 15 minutes naman yung ano natin. So, taas natin yung konti. Okay. So, order by cost. Tingnan natin. Always check this take profit or stop loss. With 30, take profit or stop loss para mas makita natin. Ang stop loss natin, para hindi makalimutan agad, unang ilagay, 38,204.46. Then, expected ROI is expected, hindi natin napilit yung short, ayan. So, expected loss is medyo mababa. So, try natin i-increase pa yung ano natin. Dahil hindi pala tayo. I-maximize natin yung leverage. So, again, mind your leverage kung di pa kayo nakakapag-try mag position sizing. I don't recommend you using max lev agad-agad unless you know how to position size. So, let's say 30. Take profit or loss. Again, ilagay natin yung stop loss natin. 38,204.46. So, natin napilit yung short. Our expected loss is around $10. So, for me, medyo mataas pa siya. Kaya natin bawasan ng 25. Kaya natin 20. Ayan, $6.23. Ayan. Potentially, we have 7.6530 expected loss once ma-reach yung stop loss natin. And yung take profit naman natin is around 37876. So our expected profit is around $12 and the expected loss is 7.6. So hopefully ma-trigger siya. Tingnan natin kung ano yung magiging kalalabasan ng trade na to once we execute na. So double check again yung mga pricing, stop loss, take profit, your order by cost, and your leverage, your position, of course, short or long, then click confirm.
Here you go. So we're gonna wait for it to show up.
Open short, click na natin, and then click confirm.
So again, this is not a financial advice. It's up to you guys. We're just letting you guys see how it's done right. Hindi lang siya basta-basta pindot ng pindot. Ma-liquidate. And so also I would like to echo lang sinabi ni Stephen kanina about leveraging. It's not really recommended for newbies to try live leveraging with high leverage kasi it's really up to you, high leverage means higher risk. So ako personally, I'm a spot trader. I do derivatives pero mostly very low leverage para I see to it na yung galawan ko may pagka-spot pero it's a little
Mhm.
leverage. Ganun yung
Feel it.
ginagawa ko. So like naka 2-3x leverage lang ako, and then at least I know when I make money from it, meron 2 to 3x higher, slightly higher than spot. So I don't need to like spend or like trade too much amount sa spot. So I do that like 10% of my, maybe 5 to 10% of my asset. Very small amount I do it for leverage trading, as I'm really willing to pay for funding rate. So of course I choose contracts na hindi ganun kataas yung funding rate, no. Yung maayos yung liquidity niya. Para hindi napupunta lang sa funding rate yung asset yung binabayad ko. So, calculated ko na siya kung magkano yung kaya kong ibayad doon. So, eventually, when the market moves up, I will also benefit from it. So, yun. Before we proceed to our main topic, no, which is P2P trading, I'm sure most of you are already familiar with it, but we want to address the reason why we want to go back to it. Kasi P2P is one of our products, and if you are just watching it right now, P2P, Bybit, I think now, P2P is peer-to-peer trading. Um, it allows you to trade with other merchants or other traders for you to be able to buy and sell your crypto. Like for example, I want to buy USDT with another person. I would be able to buy USDT ng directly from our e-wallets or like bank accounts. So that's P2P trading. So we're talking about P2P right now because we want to share ano yung mga potential benefits na pwede mong ma-achieve just by doing it, right? So yeah, let's talk about it now, Stephen. The first one is yan yung interface ng Bybit P2P. The first one is arbitrage trading. So if you are actually very familiar with P2P trading already, or if you know some exchanges or wallets that do offer P2P trading, you can actually take advantage of arbitrage trading, or the price difference of most platforms. So what you can see right now is USDT. Diba? You can sell USDT right now on P2P and other coins, pero popularly USDT yung ginagamit natin for trading. So how is it possible that you can do arbitrage trading with P2P? So if you notice, there are other platforms na are also selling USDT. Maraming platforms. You can name it. I'm not gonna mention it here. Pero if you see that there's a sudden price difference between platform A and platform B, and you can profit, let's say, 1 to 3% from the difference dun sa tinitrade mo, you can buy and sell USDT. So for example, may nakita ka sa ibang platform na mura yung USDT, you can buy it from there and then sell it dito sa platform natin. So right now, as we try to look for a lot of merchants, we can say na there's still an opportunity for arbitrage trading. So that's how arbitrage trading works. You buy low and then you sell high from different markets. So number 2, what's the second benefit of using P2P? So yeah, I'll let Stephen talk about the second part.
Yes. So, second benefit is of course no fees. Kumbaga nakapag-exchange ka, yung fiat, which is currently what we're using is PHP, to USDT with technically no fees. Mamimili ka lang ng mga merchants na nandito. Like for example, you want to buy a USDT with your PHP, you just have to enter the amount and directly kung ano yung exchange rate na meron is yun yung makukuha mo. Hindi katulad ng, like for example, pag papapalit ka ng, kunyari, meron tayong kamag-anak na taga-ibang bansa, papapalit tayo ng dollar sa mga remittances, sa mga ibang places or sa mga shops, may mga percentage na fees na binabayaran para kumita rin sila. Whereas sa P2P, typically, it is what it is. Kung ano yung kung ano yung nakikita nyo kay Manila Crypto, you want to buy USDT for 25.880. No hidden fees. Kung ano yung lang yung mismong ibibigay mong pera, yun mismo yung mako-convert. So, unlike pag percentage, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, pag percentage kasi, na fees. Sabihin, pag mas malaki yung pina-exchange mo, mas malaki din yung magiging fee mo. Eh, dito naman sa P2P trading ng Bybit, wala kang babayaran ng fees, either buy or sell man yan.
Yes. So right now, wala pa rin tayong fees for both maker and taker, which means buyers and sellers, no? So you can still take advantage of it. I think for me, why P2P still works for me, kasi when you cash in sa mga ibang platforms, there is usually 2 to 3% cash in fees. So if I see that the price of the merchant na available sa P2P natin is quite competitive, you can just simply do the math. You don't need to pay for 3% fees, especially when you have to pay a huge amount of, when you have to cash in a huge amount of money. So as you can see, si Manila Crypto, he could sell $3,606 worth of USDT. If you have CIMB, Paymaya, SCA Bank, Bank of the Philippine Islands, BPI, you can already manually compute. Kung gusto mo bumili $3,000 worth of 55.80 per USDT, you can already forecast it. Sa ano kasi, sa iba, pagka magbabayad ka pa ng 3%, malaki rin yun eh. Imagine mo pag nag-cash in ka ng 100,000 pesos kasi you wanna buy Bitcoin. That's how much. Malaki rin agad yung mababawas sa'yo. And not to mention, why I like P2P more right now, kasi if you buy P2P, wala namang fees. At the same time, when you buy crypto sa exchange na mataas, na malalim yung liquidity, like Bybit, you are technically buying crypto depende kung ano yung nakasulat sa order book. Gets nyo? Parang dahil nga malalim yung liquidity, mas mura mo mabibili yung cryptocurrency. Right? Unlike sa ibang options, nagbayad ka na ng fees mo, pag bumili ka pa ng cryptocurrency sa exchange, meron pang another 2 to 3% spread. Now, at the moment na bumili ka ng cryptocurrency, right away you will incur losses like 3 to 5% because of the huge spread. So that's the reason why I like trading in an international platform like Bybit. Kasi reasonable naman yung P2P eh. If you technically, kung konti lang yung spread sa actual USD price, no? Kaya mo pa rin siya bawiin kasi nga yung spread manipis lang. And for those people na hindi familiar sa ibig sabihin ng spread, ito yung ibig sabihin ng spread ay yung pagitan ng presyo na buy order tsaka sell orders. Kapag malayo yung presyo niya sa isa't isa, yun yung tinatawag na spread. Kasi kapag malayo, lugi ka. The moment na bumili ka ng sell order doon, kasi buyer ka bibili ka sa mga sellers. Pag binili mo yon, automatically mag-i-incur ka ng loss kapag hindi liquid platform. And I guess that's the reason why people love Bybit kasi maganda yung liquidity natin, and pag bumili ka, di ba, real time mo makikita na yung spread natin very, very tight. All right, so what we're gonna do right now is to quickly go through the
So, basically, ang una natin gagawin ngayon ay magtingin kung
Hello, sorry, nawala yata ako. Nawala ba ako?
Ayan, nawala po.
Sorry. So, on stop. P2P na, no?
Yes.
Okay. So, we're gonna walk through how it's done. Tapos, yeah, let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Hopefully, this is gonna be helpful for you. If it's your first time watching, thank you for watching our Midweek Bybit Watch. This is a Filipino community. Our goal is to help everyone learn more about crypto. Tapos, if you have questions, feel free to join our community. Scan the QR code below so you can register to the campaign and claim your free trading bonus kapag napili namin kayo sa raffle draw. Alright, Stephen, go.
Alright. So, ngayon, susubukan natin mag-sell sa P2P ng at least 100 USDT. So, una natin ginagawa is of course, ilagay yung fund natin sa funding account para ma-sell natin siya. So, let's try. Alright. Transfer. So, very basic naman na pagka-transfer. Alright. So,
while you're doing that, Stephen, no, nakalimutan ko sabihin, everyone can participate in P2P. Hindi ibig sabihin sila lang yung merchant, sila lang yung pwede. Ikaw mismo, pag gusto mong ibenta yung USDT mo sa presyo na gusto mo, you can post your own advertisement. So, kita yun dyan, merong ads, post, and then my ads. And then you can also see mga verified advertisers. Verified means may one-step verification process na nangyari sa kanila, kaya sila verified. Pero may mga iba naman na unverified, pero okay pa din yung performance nila. All you need to do is to check yung mga statistics nila. So makita mo marami silang trade orders, maganda yung ratings nila, tapos online sila, yung completion rate, obviously okay sila ka-transact. So si Stephen meron na siyang tropa, si Cebu Crypto. Lagi daw online.
Yan. So, imagine nyo, I will sell 100 and then exchange is 55.37. Gaya na nakalagay doon, ang exchange kasi 55.37. So, since 100, 5537. Then, just click sell. Intayin lang natin na may send niya sa atin yung proof na na-send niya na sa atin yung payment para ma-release na natin yung account niya. So, make sure i-ready nyo lang yung Google Authenticator nyo para once ma-release niya, diretso din yung pag nyo ng release now. Kasi nga, may timer din yung P2P natin. And of course, kapag lumabas naman na hindi mo natanggap yung yung USDT mo, there will be an appeal button dito and pwede mo rin siyang ma-utilize para mas mapabilis natin yung appeal process mo kung sakaling hindi mo talaga natanggap yung payment na dapat bibigay sa'yo ng merchant. So, ngayon iniintay lang.
Matagal na ako sa P2P. Actually, 2019 pa lang may idea na ako sa P2P trading. In fact, sa isang platform din, I was one of the advertisers bago pa ako nag-Bybit. So I can say na both, especially sa mga buyers, no, if you really know the process, hindi ka naman may scam eh. Ako, I've never been scammed on P2P.
Yeah,
well, thank God, no? Thank God. I have never been scammed. So I just need to make sure that all the steps I do whenever I trade on P2P, laging taken into consideration, sino ba yung mga top sellers? Yun na ako eh. Kasi hindi naman sila magiging top seller for no reason. So that's very important. And number two, I always see to it na I do not transact with those sellers or buyers or sellers who are giving prices in USDT or other cryptocurrencies which are very too good to be true. For example, he's selling his USDT 10% lower than the market price. That doesn't make sense, right? Think about it. Who in the world would sell his USDT, the amount of USDT at a 10% lower than the market price? Diba? If it doesn't make sense, if it's too good to be true, it probably is. So that's my own, I don't know, that's the only tip, that's the only step I do. It never failed me to avoid scammers. So,
yeah, similarly, wala pa rin ako na-experience sa P2P na scam ako or hindi na ibigay sa akin yung assets. I've never actually experienced clicking the appeal button. Kasi, yun nga, picking the right merchant, yung mahalaga. Tama ba yung price? Justifiable ba? And everything. I think, yun na yun eh. Tapos, pili ka na lang ng merchant.
And just in case talagang nangyari sa'yo na you got let's say, scammed by somebody, do not release the asset. That's the main thing, right? Do not release the asset. That's the reason why we have appeal button. Utilize it, prove to the customer service na you got scammed. And then obviously, si Bybit yung may hawak ng asset pa. It can always be reversed kung talagang may basis. So as you can see, nag-reply na si Cebu Crypto.
Yep.
Nag-send na siya
I
ng
also,
Gcash receipt.
I also verified sa Gcash account ko na na-receive ko na yung 5,537. So what's left for me to do is click this release now button. I have checked, read this, I confirm na na-release sa akin ng tamang merchant or ng tamang pangalan yung pera ko. And again, check your amount and then click release coins and then another pop-up, click confirm, and then I will just put my 2FA, which is okay. And it's now done yung transaction natin sa P2P. So,
Lilipat na siya mamaya.
yeah, ganun lang kadali yung transaction natin sa Snell. So technically sa buy naman, it's the other way around lang na ikaw naman yung unang bibili and ikaw naman yung send sa account nila ng bayad mo. And ito yung mga rates. So sabihin yung nasa pinakataas, hindi yung pinakamababa. So it's the best rate you can possibly get dito sa P2P. So, alright.
May isang question lang sa Telegram, no? May mga nag-message din tayo doon sa Telegram natin regarding the topic today. Ang sabi ni Matt Larosa, I think, what strategies is Bybit exploring to enhance the potential of P2P trading, particularly in adapting to changing market dynamics and meeting the evolving needs of its users? Okay. Do you want to answer that? Okay, I'll answer it. So, as you can see, P2P naman has been existing. It's long been existing for quite some time now. Actually, I would say not the first one to launch P2P. We are also just utilizing it because people actually need it, and people want access to a more, deeper liquidity platform with deeper liquidity. So it's also a key feature that we believe is gonna be useful for many of us. So to enhance the potential of P2P trading, you can see above, di ba, merong P2P giveaway. So we're also investing sa mga users who are just trying it for the first time. There are a lot of campaigns that we are doing, so that you can learn and earn at the same time. So imagine if you just deposit right now and then you get a free USDT for just by doing it. So that's one. It's also a way for us to meet the demand. And also at the same time, we are also improving when it comes to security feature. As you notice, there have been a lot of features on P2P that have significantly improved, particularly on the control measures. So yung mga merchants natin, there are ways on how they can limit the people that they can transact to. Like for example, kung nakaka-register lang for a day nung user, tapos hindi siya verified, they can restrict them from transacting. At the same time, may notifications na rin tayo right now kapag may nagme-message siya sa'yo ng merchant. Malaking bagay yon, so that you will not, the merchants will not be, missed any update from kapag nagbebenta sila sa P2P. Ano pa ba? Mabilis, you can say nag-improve talaga yung speed ng P2P natin kapag nagta-transact ka. Na-reduce talaga din yung mga delay sa, I think, latency when it comes to the messages. I think those are the things that I noticed sa mga improvement ng P2P natin. So there's a lot. Check nyo yung Bybit natin promotions so that you will see yung mga P2P announcements natin. Also, meron tayong mga rangers ng P2P. Real time yun kapag meron ka na encounters sa P2P, I can go to them directly. Si Bicol Exchange yung nag-a-assist sa atin sa sa community. Para diretso na kapag may issue sa P2P, hindi na nagtatagal yung concern. Nare-raise siya directly sa customer service natin. Alright, so sabi nga ni Ranger Keith, meron din community manager exclusively for Bybit P2P merchants and advertisers. Learn more at the link below. Alright, so thank you very much guys for tuning in sa P2P natin. Siguro bago natin tapusin, basahin natin yung mga comments kasi nag-effort sila na i-share sa atin yung mga thoughts nila. Sige, siguro basa tayo ng 3. Tapos make sure guys na mag-register kayo sa campaign para makuha namin yung UIDs ninyo. Nasa baba yung QR code. So screenshot nyo na lang tong live stream natin para after this you can share it with your friends. Pa-claim mo sa kanila yung bonus kapag sumali sila sa live stream na to. And if it's your first time to watch this, wala ka pang Bybit account, all you need to do is to scan the QR code above. Actually, above and below, pwede. You can sign up and then claim your bonus and your USDT prize kapag nanalo ka sa giveaway ng P2P team natin. So, merong isang question pa ulit. Actually, pangalawa na pala to. Pili ka, Stephen.
So, ito, medyo relevant naman. Pero sa mga events to ng Bybit kasi Charles Stone offer. So, pwede pa rin bang mag-avail yung first time deposit ng Bybit kahit medyo natagalan ako mag-deposit after ko mag-create ng account? Yes, the answer is yes. As long as wala ka pang nadi-deposit dun sa account, wala ka pang na-receive kahit medyo matagal mo na nagawa yung account. As long as naka-join ka, naklik mo yung join now sa event na gusto mong salihan na may first time deposit, yeah, it's still possible that you can still receive the reward for that specific event.
Yes. Sa P2P, P2P giveaway, I think yung priority nila doon is yung first deposit mo na via P2P. Basta as long as it's your first deposit, shouldn't be a problem. All right, last one. Okay. About P2P, no? Ano pa ba? Meron dito sa Telegram natin nag-message. Sabi niya, wait. What are the plans for global expansion of Bybit? Okay. So as you guys know, we envision ourselves to be the crypto arc of the world. There have been a lot of products na constantly nating nil-launch sa market. But for now, I believe yung works natin in expanding our services is lies on the products that we offer. So we have Web3 wallet. We are also the team behind yung Apex exchange, no? We're one of the investors of that, wherein you can trade cryptocurrency without having the need to use a custodial account or custodial wallet. Si Apex kasi is a decentralized exchange powered by Bybit. Also Web3 wallet, so you don't need to store your assets in a centralized platform. You can use Web3 wallet, tapos yung custody ng asset mo nasa sa'yo. Pero may access ka pa din sa pag-trade. Yun yung power ng Web3 wallet natin in collaboration with Apex. What else? Copy trading. You can copy trades. Lalo na yun yung topic natin last week. It's a lot easier for you to assess your, at least, copy trades, no, na may informed kayo. So last week, if you watch our video, you can watch it sa replay natin. We discussed there the techniques on how to copy trades properly. We're not saying you copy trades blindly. There are ways on how you can assess yung historical performance and data ng mga master traders natin. Okay. May question si Chrysler. How is Bybit addressing regulatory concerns and ensuring the safety of user funds? What measures should traders take to secure their assets in the current regulatory landscape? So I'll answer that. No. Number one, I think we've mentioned this before. Majority of the assets of Bybit is stored in a cold wallet, right? Which means it cannot be easily hacked, or it cannot be easily um, engineered by someone, like even from people from the inside, like us, to steal anyone's funds. So that's important. And also, we a huge part of our annual budget is being spent on security white hat services to make sure na robust yung technology and robust yung security features. So you can see that in our website. If you look at our um, platform, you would also know that since 2018 there have never been any form of hacking, or there have never been any form of downtime. So that's how robust our platform is. It can even accommodate up to 100,000 transactions per second. And I would say, I know, very unlikely that I see a platform that goes um, up. Alam mo yun, yung uptime niya kapag lahat halos nag-bull market, masyadong matindi yung nagiging transactions, nagda-down. Bybit, I've never seen any, not even a single incident na nag-stop, nag-pause yung platform. I'm sure si Prof. Loki can also attest to that. Walang ganong klaseng situation since 2018 in both, especially derivatives and spot. Your second question is about what measures should traders take to secure their assets in the current regulatory landscape. First, I want to say na Bybit has been constantly working with regulators. So if you notice, in Dubai right now, there have been efforts, actually license na tayo doon, di ba? And hindi ugali ni Bybit na hindi makipag-cooperate sa mga regulators. It has always been a thing. In fact, hindi naman tayo yung parang we play parang sa gray area. Hindi tayo ganun eh. We try as much as possible to figure out ways on how we can work with them. Secondly, what should traders take to secure their assets in the current landscape? No, that's the reason why we mentioned earlier, and I think why Bybit is doing it now. We've been promoting yung Bybit Web3 wallet, right? So that way you have your own access to your crypto, your own seed phrase, your own keys. So whatever happens, you're fully protected. So by next week, we will discuss how Bybit Web3 wallet works. Again, if you haven't heard it earlier, there's a way for you to trade on Apex, especially the huge market caps now, by using non-custodial wallets like MetaMask. Nakalimutan ko yung dalawa. Wait lang. Sine-check ko yung ano eh. Wait lang ah. So yung unang option is MetaMask. Baka pwede mo i-share saglit yung Stephen yung Web3 no, para next week they have an idea already. So one is MetaMask, number two is Bitverse wallet, and third option is Wallet Connect. Yan. So if the issue is about custody because you're worried about what might happen to your asset, this is the smartest move. If you don't have a ledger with you and you find ledger quite expensive, there are options. Web3 wallet like this, you can trade at the same time. There are DeFi tokens, GameFi tokens, NFT tokens you can trade on, and you can simply connect your MetaMask wallet, Bitverse wallet. So again, that's what we did. And I think as a trader, as a crypto trader, you must be fully aware of what could go wrong in the future. So the safest way that you can do it is either you store it in a ledger or Trezor wallet, or yeah, like this, Bybit Web3 wallet. So I encourage you guys to check on it, check how it might benefit your custody sa mga custody assets in the long run. All right. Next week we will talk more about it. We will demo how it works. Thank you guys so much. Again, I think that concludes our midweek series. Inabot na overtime. So maraming salamat for staying with us, mga kabaybit natin. again, we are a community here. Hindi namin kayo iiwanan. No? Wag kayo matakot. We will be here as a community. We have a group, we have a Telegram community. Hindi naman tayo sobrang parang basically malalaki sila eh. So talagang magiging issue 'yon. Pero again, meron tayong Web3 wallet. We need to explore that feature. So whatever happens, we are fully protected. Any final thoughts, Stephen? Prof?
Wala.
Yun nga, I
Thank
think
you so much.
na napag-usapan natin yung sa Web3 wallet. So stay tuned sa next live stream natin sa Midweek Market Watch kasi pag-uusapan natin yan ng deeper yung Web3 wallet. And of course, sa mga viewers natin, make sure na itry nyo na din habang hindi pa natin napag-usapan, explore nyo na yan. And see you again sa next episode natin ng Midweek Market Watch next week.
Alright.
Maraming salamat. Prof, baka may final thoughts, tips sa mga nanonood, tapos yung socials mo, drop mo na rin.
Tips ko lang talaga, stay loyal to Bybit. Nilalapag ko lang naman lahat ng trades ko dun sa group natin. So, makakasabay talaga kayo. Makikita niyo ako matalo o manalo. So, yun. Wala lang. Stay active, stay loyal. Bybit is life.
Yon. Ako, future siguro thoughts talaga, no? Web3 talaga tayo mapupunta. If hindi tayo magiging, ang hirap kasi, di ba? Parang, yun nga yung purpose ng blockchain technology. As much as possible, you wanna have custody sa sarili mong pera na walang tumitingin na iba. So, alam mo, parang it doesn't make sense. Pero, again, Bybit in general is very cooperative sa mga regulators. Pero ako, papunta tayo sa Web3. So, please review and check nyo kung paano siya gumagana. Kasi ginagamit na namin yon. At may sarili akong ledger, di ko lang nandun lang sa drawer ko. Sarili akong ledger, 90% of my asset is there. 10% nasa exchange, and then Web3 wallet. So if you're confident na nasa cold wallet, lagay mo sa vault, you're safe. Huwag kayong matakot kasi may mga options May mga options kayo to consider. So again, sabi nga ni Trader G Esteban, Web3 is life. Alright. Salamat guys, and yung mga winners for this week, pipiliin namin, i-raffle namin ulit for sa susunod na linggo. So make sure to register to the campaign by scanning the QR code below. Huwag nyo rin kalimutan yung P2P giveaway natin sa QR code sa taas. Okay guys, salamat.
Salamat.
Bye.
Bye.